This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening photo mode using the in-game shortcut, right D-pad on console or F on PC. Once done, make sure the HUD or photo overlay appears so you can see controls. You do this because the same input toggles the mode. If you don't see the overlay, try the pause menu version. Remember, some consoles require a brief press or hold, so try both. This guarantees you're in the correct state before turning it off. Next, exit photo mode by toggling the same control you used to enter it. Press right D-pad console or F PC. You may need a short press versus a hold, so try both, because the game distinguishes them for different functions. Once you press, look for the HUD to return and the camera to snap back to player perspective, which confirms you're out. If the overlay lingers, repeat the toggle. Sometimes timing matters when transitioning from cinematic camera states. Finally, verify you're back in gameplay by moving, aiming, or opening the map. These actions confirm normal control. If photo mode still stays active, save and reload your last checkpoint or restart the game. This resets camera states. Make sure to check controller mapping or PC keybinds if the mode toggles unexpectedly, because custom bindings can override defaults. One quick troubleshooting tip: unplug and replug your controller before restarting, since stuck inputs often cause the mode to persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.